Good morning students. Today we are on our 5th standard GK subject. Today we will learn about our lesson number 7, 8 and 9 of our 5th standard GK subject. So let's start and see what is in that lesson. First of all, we will learn about our lesson number 7, that is our heritage, the monuments of India. And in this lesson we will learn about some information is given here. That is are you familiar with these heritage monuments of our country India? Write the correct answer in the blanks. First of all, we will learn that here total 7 monuments are given here, and in the help box over the right over the downside of the page number 7, total 7 words are given here. We just have to find out the proper name of these monuments by observing the pictures given on page number 7. So first of all, look at the picture. This picture is of Sanchi Stupa, and this Sanchi Stupa is situated in Bhopal city, and Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh state of our country India. Second number, you can see in this picture the 4 lions are standing in their opposite directions, and this monument is known as the lion capital of Samrat Ashoka. Third number, Virupaksha temple, and this temple is in Karnataka state in our country. Fourth number, this is a Panchamahal, and this Panchamahal is situated in the Godhra city of Gujarat state. Fifth number monument, you can see the picture. This monument is a Brihadishwara temple, and this temple is in Tamil Nadu state in South India. Sixth number, Tughlakabad fort. By seeing that fort, you will learn that fort is not in a well condition, but in that time the fort was very big and precious. So 6th number monument is a Tughlakabad fort. Last, Humayun's tomb, 7 number. Okay, if you have any problem for the spellings, you can refer the help box over here. Okay students, so this was our lesson number 7 of 5th standard GK subject. Let's move on now on lesson number 8. The lesson number 8 will give us information about the famous writers. Here are total 10 famous writers are given, and their books are also, and the names of their books are also given. We just have to find out by their book's name, the writer's name. Name the authors of these books and write their names in the blank provided. First, Passage to India. This book is written by E.M. Forster. Second number, The Discovery of India. The writer of this book is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our independent India. Third number, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. The writer is Mahatma Gandhiji. Fourth number, The Guide, R.K. Narayan. Fifth number, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. That book is written by Mark Twain. Sixth number, The Old Man and the Sea. This book is written by the Ernest Hemingway. Then 7th number book, that is a Treasure Island. That book is written by R.L. Stevenson. 8th number book, that is a very famous book in all the children's. That book is written by Rudyard Kipling. And one most important thing is that on that book one famous cartoon and a picture is also made, and the famous the person, the artist was Mowgli. मतलब मोगली नाम का एक बच्चा था जो जंगल में सारे मतलब वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के बीच में बड़ा होता है और उसमें उसका एक एनिमी दिखाया गया है, वो टाइगर होता है जिसका नाम होता है शेर खान। और शेर खान हमेशा मोगली को मारने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन जंगल के बाकी के जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो हमेशा शेर खान से मोगली को बचाते हैं। इस तरह की वो स्टोरी थी। और व्हेन दैट कार्टून वाज मेड एंड इट प्लेड ऑन द टीवी, सारे बच्चों में ये कार्टून और ये फिल्म बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस थी। 9 नंबर, अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 8 days. This book is written by the Jules Verne. And the last book, The Merchant of Venice, that book is written by William Shakespeare, the most famous author, writer, poet in English literature. Okay students, so this was our lesson number 8, famous writers, that gives us information about the books and their writers. Let's move on our next lesson, that is a famous scientist. Name the scientist with the help of the given clues and write their names in the blanks provided. Use the help box. Like the previous lessons, over here the help box is given. Total 8 names are given here and some basic information and the clues are given on page number 9. So you just have to read the clues, and with the clues you have to find out the scientist's name. First, he discovered that microorganisms cause fermentation and disease. He also discovered the vaccine for rabies. रेबीज़ ये जो डिसीज़ है ये कब होता है, जब कोई डॉग हमें काट लेता है। तो किसी डॉग के काटने के बाद रेबीज़ ना हो, इसलिए उस पर जो वैक्सीन निकाला वो निकाला था लुइस पास्चर ने। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन सेकंड, he discovered the vaccine for smallpox. He was Edward Jenner. Third number, he had more than 1000 patents to his credit, including the gramophone and the affordable electric bulb. He was Thomas Alva Edison. Fourth number, he discovered penicillin. It is an antibiotic that is used to cure many bacterial diseases. He was Alexander Fleming. Fifth number, she discovered the element radium. She was the first female scientist to win the Nobel Prize twice. मतलब उन्होंने रेडियम एलिमेंट जो है वो फाइंड आउट किया था और वो दुनिया की ऐसी पहली फीमेल साइंटिस्ट थी जो दुनिया का सबसे जो बड़ा पुरस्कार होता है नोबेल प्राइज़ पुरस्कार, वो उन्होंने 2 बार हासिल किया है, जीता है। देन 6 नंबर, ही डिस्कवर्ड दैट द सन इज़ एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम। मतलब इन साइंटिस्ट ने ये प्रूव किया था कि सन जो है मतलब सूरज जो है वो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के बीचों बीच है एंड अदर प्लैनेट्स मूव्स अराउंड द सन, not the sun is moves around the planets. And that was a very big discovery about the solar system, and the scientist who discovered this thing, he was Galileo Galilei. 7 number, he was a great scientist and mathematician. A falling apple gave him the idea of gravitation. He discovered the laws of motion and the law of gravitation. He was Isaac न्यूटन। मतलब जो ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स जो है उसका पता लगाना, मतलब उसका पता जिस साइंटिस्ट ने लगाया था उनका नाम था आइजैक न्यूटन। 8 नंबर, ही वॉज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट साइंटिस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम. ही प्रोपोंडेड द थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. और ये वही साइंटिस्ट है जिन्होंने दुनिया का सबसे पहला एटम बॉम्ब बनाया, वो थे अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. So, okay students, so that was our lesson number 9, and in this video we have completed 3 lessons, lesson number 7, lesson number 8 and lesson number 9 of our 5th standard GK subject. Thank you.